Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this awesome banner-unroll VFX ad using Blender and After Effects. We'll go step by step from camera tracking, creating the 3D banner, animating the unroll, and finally compositing everything to make it look super realistic. It's a perfect effect for product ads, brand promos, or just adding that professional cinematic touch to your videos. So let's jump right in. Before jumping into Blender or After Effects, let's quickly plan our shot. For a clean track, make sure your footage has a little camera movement. Something handheld or a smooth pan works great. Alright, let's start in After Effects. Import your footage and then head to the 3D camera tracker. Once the tracking is done, click on a few good points in the area where the banner will go, and create a solid or null. Now in Blender, let's import our tracked camera and set the footage as our background. Next, create a simple plane for the banner. Adjust the scale to fit your scene. Think about where it should unroll from. Alright, let's start by adding a cylinder. Scale it down so it fits nicely on top of the banner and rotate it 90 degrees on the Y-axis. Then, position it right above the banner. Next, turn on the wireframe view so we can see everything clearly. Select the banner and switch to Edit mode. Now, right-click and choose Subdivide. Then, increase the number of cuts to around 80 for a smoother bend later. Once that's done, select the bottom row of vertices. In the Vertex Groups panel, click Add and Assign to create a new group for that selection. Now, let's add the spiral. Go to Add, Curve, Spiral, Archimedean. Tweak the settings. Adjust the turns, steps, radius growth, and radius until it looks right. Finally, rotate the spiral and align its center perfectly with the cylinder. Let's start by creating the banner roll. Select your banner, then go to the Modifiers panel and add a Curve Deform modifier. Set the object to the spiral we made earlier. Now, change the deform axis to -Y and adjust the position until the banner wraps naturally along the spiral. This forms the base for our banner roll animation. Next, we'll bring the banner to life with a cloth simulation. With the banner selected, go to the Physics Properties tab and enable Cloth. Set your end frame to match the animation length, for example, frame 250 or 300. Under Shape, assign the pinned vertex group we created earlier. Now check the Self-Collision box so the cloth doesn't overlap with itself. Set friction to 0 for a smooth unroll motion. Once that's set up, scroll down and click Bake All Dynamics. This will take a few minutes, depending on your PC or laptop speed. When it's done, play the animation. You'll see a clean, well-formed animation. Realistic banner unroll. Time to give the banner some design. Head over to the Shading workspace. Add a principled BSDF shader and connect it to the material output. In the texture slot, load your banner design image and plug it into the base color input. Adjust the UV scale so the design fits perfectly across the banner surface. Now your banner looks realistic and ready for the final render. Finally, let's prepare the scene for compositing. Switch to the Compositing tab and enable Use Nodes. Connect the Render Layers node to the composite output. You can also add extra nodes for color correction or glow effects to make the final shot pop. And that's it. Your banner unroll VFX is complete and ready to render. Hey, if you're enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more creative videos like this.